Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. Before we get started, I wanted to mention that each active member of my team also receives card kits of the month for just being on the team. So if you're a customer of mine and think you may miss out on this customer perk by signing up for the starter kit, don't worry. Actually, team members get treated like VIPs by me and get quite a few additional perks. If you've been thinking about joining up for the best deal Stampin' Up! Can offer, like a continuing 20% discount, purchasing products before they're released to the public, and access to a whole lot of free inspiration, please consider joining my team. I will leave a link in the description box below that leads to a page where I can answer all of your questions, and I want to share with you that it is truly an amazing gift to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I am blessed with the most amazing team of kind-hearted, talented Canadian demonstrators. I would love for you to become one of us and experience the joy that we all share for this company and the craft. Hi friends, it is December and this is the card kit for the month of December 2022. I am using the Brightest Glow stamp set, but you can use your sentiments, whatever you have. I chose Granny Apple Green for this particular card. I'm going to stamp on the basic white piece here and then mat it with the Granny Apple Green. And the little strips of paper were going to be going around that like a frame. So here is the shaded spruce and pool party example, and I am inking up in shaded spruce again with that sentiment, all is merry and bright, from the Brightest Glow stamp set. So I'm going to put adhesive along the bottom and the top, and then I'm going to mat those pieces with the cardstock, and then those are going to be put up on dimensionals. So I wanted to just let you know that if you shop with me this month, you're going to get a little extra something in the card kit of the month. I have a few little gifts for my customers. I just wanted to say thank you very, very much. My team had already got their Christmas party. We had a lot of fun this last weekend. We got together and shared and created, and people were even allowed to invite their friends. How about that? That was a party. I even had a party hat on. All right, you can see here there's 4 strips of designer series paper. Now I think this one was called Celebrate Everything. It's a host paper, but if you were to duplicate this yourself, you would be able to use whatever designer series paper you wish. And I took, I'm doing 2 at once, so it looks complicated, but it is not, I promise. I took the backings off of my dimensionals there. So now everything is ready to go and I can complete these cards very, very quickly now. And that's the whole point of a card kit. It is something that's cut and ready to go so that you can fulfill those needs of card making. You can also measure the papers here and you can duplicate this very easy and fun design yourself. All right, so I did choose Granny Apple Green here as a color, and you can see how I'm arranging the strips. So that I believe they're 1 inch each, and then there's just a longer and a shorter. But then there leaves that there's a nice piece right in the center where that piece is gonna go. Now, if I wanted to zhuzh that up a little bit, I have no problem leaving white space, but somebody might think it's incomplete. You could put you know, sparkly things or a ribbon or maybe some snowflakes. And in everybody's card kit, you're going to get one each of one of these, and then the other one is more of a birthday themed one, and I did not share that with you here, but I did make pictures for the very end. So this is my card kit for the month. Thank you so much for purchasing with me. Hope you like the gift, and Merry Christmas. Bye for now.